In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up SMS in Brevo. Let's walk through it together from sign in to sending your first message, keeping everything clear and simple. Start by heading to the Brevo login page in your browser. Choose Sign In with Google, then pick your Google account and complete the sign in. Once you're in, go to the marketing area. From there, open campaigns so you can manage all your outbound messages in one place. Click Create Campaign to start a new one. If you see SMS listed but not enabled, click Activate beside it to turn the feature on. Next, select SMS as your campaign type. Give your campaign a name that makes it easy to recognize later, like a launch name or a date-based title, then click Create Campaign. Now let's configure the sender. Open the sender section to edit the sender details. Type the sender name you want recipients to see and save it. Keep it short and recognizable so people know who's texting them. Next, choose who will receive your message. Open recipients, then select the list or segment you want to target. If your contacts are organized into folders, navigate to the appropriate folder to find the right audience. When you're happy with your selection, click Save. Now it's time to create the message. Click Create to open the SMS editor, then type your message. Aim for clear, concise copy with one main call to action. You'll also see options to add images if they're available on your plan and supported in your recipient's regions. Use that carefully, as media may change costs or delivery depending on the country. You'll find additional options that can help a lot. Manage U.S. Compliance is there to help you include required information for U.S. audiences, like opt-out instructions, and to stay aligned with messaging rules. The Special Characters tool helps you control character encoding so your message stays within the expected character limit and displays correctly on different devices. When your content is ready, click Save. At this point, you can run a test or send your SMS. Testing is a great way to double-check links, formatting, sender name, and how the message looks on a phone. Once everything looks good, you can send it to your selected list or schedule it based on your timing. And that's it. You've signed in, enabled SMS, named your campaign, set your sender, selected recipients, written your message, explored compliance and character options, saved your work, and you're ready to test or send.